See the other resume, like they have to mention like a manual and automation, automation testing. They have to mention like a strong knowledge in SDLC and STLC, good knowledge in test management tool in QC. Automation means they have to mention like QTP. So QTP is related to the QC also. So they mention like a QTP. That's why they mention like a VB scripting. And they mention like a good understand the test plan document. Maybe he mentioned around more than 5 years like that, or 4 years, 3 years like that. That's why they say like test plan. In some companies, they call them test cases also called as a test plan, and mention like a flexible to work in different shifts. Adequate knowledge in preparing test cases and test scripts. The test cases we have to prepare for manual, and the test scripts we have to prepare for automation. Yes, flexible enough to adapt new environments. Summary.
Quality center means that is
What is
real
the QC?
quality center.
QC, same bug like
QC.
BugZilla.
Okay. So QC is that is related to automation, right? QTP.
QTP is related to automation.
Mm.
See, they mention like and they mention project. Whenever you have to mention a project, if you mention like a roles and responsibilities,
Mm.
okay, and I'll show. See, whenever you have to like how to prepare interview, I'll show you. This is preparation, how to prepare for interview. You need to prepare all the skills mentioned in your resume. I said now whatever you have to mention, definitely what you mention only whatever you know. Otherwise, don't mention. See, if you have idea on bug life cycle, definitely you mention like a bug life cycle. If you copy paste, other member they know very well about bug life cycle. So you have to also mention the same thing. In interview, they ask like what is bug life cycle. So that's why whatever you know, you have to mention that in your interview, in your resume, and come up with the priority for all the skills that you need to prepare. Make a test plan based on skills priority and concentrate on what new things you learned on that day instead of how much you learned. Please complete the daily task which assigns to you. This is don't buy the books and do daily tasks and complete the work as assigned to you. While you are preparing, keep in mind that you need to prepare a interview point of view only. Means like if you prepare, if you prepare any questions like in interview way only, don't by heart the questions and answers. If you by heart, it is very difficult to say the answer. Understand the point first of all. If I explain about like a browser based testing, so understand what is a browser, how we will test, and what types of there in browser testing. If I said only like a 2 points, you gather more than that, then you will get a lot of knowledge. Don't by heart whatever in material. Concentrate on more basic concepts. Sometimes you will miss answering the basic also. When coming to steps, concentrate on the main step needed for a project or product. And cover all the responsibilities that you mentioned in your resume. If the clients have some points in your responsibilities, see in your resume you mentioned like a roles and responsibilities. Definitely they ask like what are the responsibilities you faced in your company. So like you can manage a resume. Send me your already you have resume now, prepared resume.
It means I don't have which sample resumes I have, which is sent by my friends and all.
Okay, prepare first of all.
Hmm.
You know like a testing knowledge now. So
Okay.
based on your knowledge, you have to modify that resume.
Hmm.
Okay, mention everything
Okay.
in that resume, whatever you know, and send to me. I
Hmm.
have to verify it once. If anything is
Okay. And what about project?
yeah, mention project. Okay, select first of all state. Okay, means not state, city.
City.
Yeah, only city here. Select movie. See, if you select city, select movie, then go for tickets. What it shows? You have
It
reached
won't
this
be
page,
like.
the page requested could not be loaded.
Hmm.
Okay? Is it issue or not?
Yes, sir.
Say, is it issue or not?
Issue only because if it should show the movies which are playing in that city.
I did not get you.
No, if you select city and movie,
Hmm.
it should show all the movies which are playing in that particular city
No,
and
no,
timings,
no.
everything. Huh?
See, when I select a city, these all are drop downs. Okay?
Uh,
These all are drop downs. When I select city, after that, definitely we can select a movie. If
hmm,
I go for tickets, it shows a pop-up message. Please select a date and theater.
hmm,
It is four links here, four drop downs. Here four drop downs. Without select four drop downs, if you click on go for tickets, it shows a pop-up message. Are you get my point?
yeah, yeah.
If you select this, then if you go for tickets also, it will show a pop-up message.
Hmm.
But here it is showing directly in other page. Okay?
Okay.
Go for tickets. Now, here it is going for tickets, but
Mm.
schedule not available. So, no need.
Okay.
They mention like a theaters. Select
Mm.
city and select a theater and go for tickets. There are two ways to select a movies. There are two ways to select a movies. Select Hyderabad. Select. Please select the movie.
Mm.
Why here it is showing please select the movie means maybe in that theater there are two or three movies are running.
Oh,
So that's why it shows the please select the movie. So they mention no show here. So if you mention here, it shows like a first of all you have to select
yes.
whatever you want the seats. Means select required seats. Then select the show. See up to 10 available. So then if you select this one, it asking
Okay. Login.
you are not a customer of this project. So that's why it's asking login. So means you have to register your email ID, first name, password, mobile number, last name, confirm password. So then click on this. Asking please enter email ID. Okay?
Okay.
Please enter email ID means they mention like a star symbol here. So you mention your email ID. Please enter a valid email ID. Okay? It is not a valid. Now please enter a mobile number. Okay. Please enter first name.
Name.
You have to check like this way. Please enter last name.
Last.
Please enter a valid last name. They ask like a valid last name. Why it is showing like valid last name?
Mm.
Why it shows like a valid last name? Because of,
Because
yeah, why it shows?
it's a mandatory field.
I entered na.
Uh,
See, I entered like this way. Here it is showing please enter a valid last name. Why?
means number of characters.
Hmm?
Number of characters, I mean, should be more. It
No,
means for
just take it.
particular
What I
field.
mentioned there. Test 1.
Okay, okay. Special digits are not allowed in
Your
surnames,
name is,
last names, and
is there?
no, no, no.
Yeah. It's a, like a basic.
Okay, okay.
So that's why it's showing.
Hmm.
So now please enter
Password.
password. Now I click password and confirm password does not match
Doesn't matter.
because both are different.
Count. Yeah.
That's why it does not match. See, registered successfully.
Successfully.
Now you can log in. It's showing.
Okay. Hmm.
See, but whatever you have to mention in, it is a wrong.
Hmm.
But why it accepts means when you are coding, it likes you can accept at symbol and dot.
Dot.
My account, SMS alert,
Hmm.
email alert. Okay.
Okay.
So